There we have it. Okay, so what do we have to calculate? Well, this one is, what, 0 degrees or something like that, or 90 or something. Don't I have to calculate the weight of this? Yeah, I'm thinking so, right? So 200 kilograms times 9.81 is 1962. That was when I was born. Right? And then the forces that we have acting on this thing are some force to the side. And then we've got this guy here. And this guy has a component straight up and a component to the side. Yeah. And then I think that this guy and this guy have to be congruent. Yeah? Does that mean that this tension's bigger than the weight? Kind of almost seems like it is, doesn't it? Right? Because these guys are congruent and these guys are congruent. Don't they have to be? Yeah? I'm pretty sure, right? Okay. So we can set this up. Somebody in the other class solved it with matrices, but I don't think we're going to need to. Okay. So this, I'm going to call this just T1. I'll call this guy T2. Right? So we know that T1, this is T1, that's 30 degrees, right? So T1 cos 30. Can we be quiet, please? T1 cos 30 is that component. This is T1 sine 30, right? So I know that T1 cos 30, right, minus T2 is 0, right? All of T2, okay? And then I also know that T1 sine 30, okay, plus or minus 0 T2, right, equals 1962. Why did I put a 0 there? Because if I was going to make a matrix, I'd have to put a 0 element there, right? I don't think we need to do a matrix, though. Can't you solve this one exactly for T1? Can't you? Yeah, without a matrix, I don't think we need a matrix to solve this, right? This one you can solve for T1. So 1962 divided by the sine of 30 is what? Sine of 30 is? 3924. Yeah, 3924, right? So T1 is 3924, right? And then you can go 3924 cos 30. I get 3398. 3398.28 minus T2 is 0. So what's T2? Don't think too hard. 0 is not right. Is it 3398? Yes. Yeah, there you go. Are those the right answers? It's in the syllabus. It's an even problem. Yep. Yeah? Yeah, yes.